Today we are having an objective to learn something more of a revolutionary product we are launching today. Okay. So we are actually going to see how to connect as well as some salient points of our new generator, Ubersonic Synergy. Okay. Let me just show you the connections. Now, those people who have already sold or know about Ubersonic, connections are as easy as that. Okay. So let me show you the basic connections from the back side of the machine. So you have the power cable, which goes like the same like Ubersonic, and again you have a foot pedal similar to Ubersonic. You can see the red dot here. This is very important because you can end up damaging the plug and socket. So we align it with a 12 o'clock red dot and push it in. You can see that? So we are on from the back side. Now we go on the front side of the machine. So you'll see similar to Ubersonic, you have a power switch here, and instead of one, there are two cables connectors here. One is for the ultrasonic plug, and one is for the bipolar plug. Now, what is different in this machine is that you can have two different energies working on the tissue at the very same time. The point here is, like in all surgeries, there is something called ligation and then division, that is cutting. So you have in sutures, you tie the tissue and then cut with the scissors. Then we go higher up, you can clip the tissue and cut with the scissors. So as you go higher up, you have energy devices where you have bipolar forceps which only achieves hemostasis, and you have scissors to cut it. Okay. Furthermore, we have ultrasonic devices which can cut, but which are not very efficient to achieve hemostasis because of the shape of their jaws. Okay. This machine can do both the things very efficiently, and we foresee a great saving in time and efficiency for the surgeons. Okay. So you have a instrument which looks similar to the Ubersonic instrument, where you can see maximum and minimum. Okay. When you press max and min, you are pressing and you are giving both energies, that is the bipolar energy and the ultrasonic energy, simultaneously into the jaw of the tissue instrument. So achieving hemostasis and cutting the tissue is being done simultaneously. You don't have to remove the instrument, or you don't have to use another instrument to achieve hemostasis whenever there is bleeding. So which increases the efficiency to a great extent. Okay. Now you see there is an additional blue button here. This blue button is given for giving only bipolar energy to the tissue. So there was still, after doing the initial dissection, if you have any bleeder, you can just buzz it with only bipolar energy. Okay. Same thing is given in the foot pedal. Okay. This is usual what we have, cutting and coagulation. And you see this green switch. If you press the green switch, it will be only bipolar energy. So either way, a surgeon can have flexibility of a combination of bipolar and ultrasonic energy, or to achieve hemostasis, he'll have option of exclusive bipolar energy. So this way we feel that he can achieve the objective much faster and much efficiently to the benefit of the patient. Okay. So we are working on how much exact time will be necessary by doing some practical studies, which will add up and we'll give it to you later. Okay. At the moment, let us connect the system and on the system first.
And we'll go to the generator. I'll show you how to connect it. So this is the ultrasonic connector, and this is the RF connector. Right? It's done. Now I am connecting shear to the transducer. Very simple way. It has to be a finger type. Now take a torque wrench with 3 clicks. Remove the torque wrench. Now connect the bipolar cable to the shear. This is done. Now I am switch on the generator now. Now screen is showing to activate the instrument for the test run. Now press any button of the shear with the open jaw. You can see now generator is testing the shear. The generator is now ready to use. So at my right side there is the ultrasonic and my left side there is radio frequency or the RF energy. You can use it with the hand. This is minimum. This is maximum. You can see ultrasonic as well as RF, both the energies activating on the same time, right? If you want to use only RF, just press the blue button. You can see sound changes. Only RF energy now activating. Now there is a setting button on the front screen. You can change the activation from foot switch to hand activation to foot switch. All the 3 parameters are there. Now we'll be doing a foot switch. See, I'm pressing now blue. Now I'm pressing the blue. It's a minimum. Now I'm pressing the yellow. It's a maximum energy. Now when I'm pressing the green button, it will give you only ultrasonic energy. So you can use both foot switch as well as hand switch in the same shear for the both ultrasonic as well as RF energy.
Done.